Hello everyone, and today I'll tell you how to use the course download feature on your Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. So, in order to do that, open up Huawei Health application on your smartphone, open up your exercise. Now you gotta choose, you can choose from the all courses right here, or you can press the route here. Let's press it. So here we can choose some routes, offline routes which are detached to our city. All right, so for example, let's choose this one. All right, press transfer to wearable, confirm it by pressing transfer. Now this will update our courses in our watch. Now let's activate our watch by pressing the crown. Let's press it once again, find route draw. Okay, and now we have a few routes right here, so choose the one you'd like, press go to exercise, press go.
Workout started.
And now our watch has automatically detected our GPS and it will follow us in all our route. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.